Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see top 5 mistakes that cost you SAP jobs. First of all, SAP is a vast subject. You cannot expertise in all business processes, but you can cover all the topics like inventory management, valuation account assignment, material master, data conversion, all those topics. Employers mainly look for practical knowledge, practical projects, but most of the candidates, they are just good in theoretical but not practical. They lack that practicality. That is the reason they are not able to clear the interview. Next, weak understanding of SAP concepts, weak understanding of purchase requisition, purchase order, document definition, how to define purchase order. People don't know what is the header data and item data in purchase order, goods receipt, stock transfers, reservation, how to create movement types, they don't know. How to create pricing procedure, account determination, where it gets assigned. So account determination is OBYC transaction code in So that OBYC transaction code, they don't know what it is. What are the transactions in OBYC transaction? They don't know because they lack practicality. MRP and consumption-based planning, material requirement planning and consumption-based planning. They are weak in that. The tip is work on real-time scenarios. Do hands-on practice in SAP sandbox system and strengthen your core concepts. Next, lack of real-time project experience. Many candidates mention SAP experience, experience, but fail to give you proper explanation on the real-time experience. Employees prefer only real-time experience, and you should be in a position to demonstrate SAP implementation, support, and migration projects. You lack direct experience, contribute to SAP forums, do internships, or work on case studies to gain exposure in the real-time scenarios. Next, poor configuration knowledge. Define documents for PR and PO. They don't know the number ranges, how to assign the number ranges, how to create the number ranges, setting up release strategies, configuring pricing procedure, understanding the integration with FI, SD, plant maintenance, all those integrations, they don't know. PM. My tip is learn end-to-end configurations by practicing in SAP IDES sandbox. Next, weak communication and documentation. Weak communication, the skill, you are the one who communicates with the business users, stakeholders, end users, I mean to say end users, with the other technical teams, with the ABAP team, with the FICO team. So you are the one who have to communicate to all this, who has to communicate to all this consultant. So if you lack the communication, you will not be selected in the interview. It becomes a failure. consultant, interact with business users, functional teams, technical teams. If you can't explain your concepts clearly, solutions clearly, it can cost you the job. Poor documentation skill, functional specs, text scripts, business blueprints are all red flags. Test scripts is nothing but test case creation. Improve your ability to explain SAP processes. Practice clear writing, concise documents, preparation of concise documents, clear documents. Next, ignoring SAP S/4HANA innovations, business partner configuration. People don't know the business process partner configuration. C replaces vendor master. Previously in ECC XK01 you create vendor master, but here you created in BP transaction. MRP live for real-time material planning. Fiori app for procurement and inventory tracking. Fiori app, mobile app, wherein through mobile you can create purchase order, you can do goods receipt, you can create invoice verification. All this you can do it in mobile app. That is Fiori. These are all the issues most of the candidates are facing. That is the reason they are getting failed in interview and costing their job itself. Thank you.